Chloe here again. Look at my airbrush art. I like decorated my corner just a little bit. I think I might need to add something like on this side. I don't know. But the sink is right there, and so sometimes when people are washing their hands, there's splash water everywhere. So I don't know if I want to do that. That's not the point of this video. Jesus. The point of this video is it's Memorial Day weekend, right? This is Friday, May 23rd. I have put my airbrush nail art courses on sale, no code needed, for $19.97. I am going to put down in the description the courses, like the link for them, okay? But let's go over what I have on the website. Now, let me give a little background. I've been doing nails for 21 years, been teaching nails for 10 of that, and been doing airbrush for 10 of that, right? I'm an independent nail artist. I have so many videos. I'm an educator. I've traveled all over on my page, on my channel, that go over like how I do nails, how much I charge, how you can charge airbrush nails. You've seen it. So I'm already qualified. We know that 110%. So let's talk about what we're having on sale on the website this weekend. This is the airbrush lettering course. Now, why would you want this? You would want this if you want to do graffiti nail lettering. Your clients have requested it, and you can't. So I have like shaky hands. I've been in the industry a little bit, so I'm not as steady as I used to be. Airbrushing makes it easy. You can actually be shaky with airbrush because you're just trying to put it a little bit, all over. So I got you. That's the lettering course. So these are some of the designs you create in the lettering course. Pretty fantastic. And I will say this, before me, want nobody putting these letters like this airbrushed on nails, and you can take that to the bank. The second course that we have available for $19.97 is going to be the Master Acrylic Airbrush Paint course. Now, you can use this course in any of my other ones with anybody's airbrush paint, with anybody's airbrush gun. I am teaching you the technique through designs on how to control your pressure, layer your stencils, mix your colors, all of that. And why do I show you that way through design? Because it helps you get muscle memory to be able to reproduce the design over and over again and just possibly change, maybe the colors or something. Okay, cool. This is some of the designs for the master course. We also have the beginners course. And the beginners course is the one, like I have it in 2 layers. I have the beginners course, and I also have it another way where I sell it with the stencils. I'm only bringing this one back like this without the stencils for Memorial Day weekend, because ordinarily I only sell it with the stencils, because on that side it's only like $47. So for $19.97 you're getting that, and these are the designs that you get to create. It makes your life so much easier when you already have a roadmap to how the nail art is supposed to work. Period. You practice before your client comes. That way you're ready when they sit in the chair, and you just produce. I don't practice with my clients. You shouldn't be either, because that means there's no value to your art once you get it. When do you tell them, like, I'm done practicing and it's time for you to pay me for this art? Right. That's why I never started that. You can practice on me. I'll practice on these tips because I got a lot of them up in here, but on my clients, I'm going to charge. Point blank, period. Okay. Another course that is on the website is the air gel course, and I have 2. I have like the little mini one, and then I have the master air gel course. So those are there. Each of them $19.97. Get both of them for less than $40. Yes, please. Yes, please. So if you're using like an airbrush gel, or I'm not a big fan of gel polish and acetone. There's no consistency. You never get the same look over and over again. But they have so many different airbrush gel brands now, because they're adding more and more every day. If you're using anything like that, grab the air gel course. Grab it. These courses are on my website for $19.97, and that will only be for the weekend. Grab them for yourself. Now, if you have a nail tech in your life and you're like, I want to get her something nice, get her the course, babes. Get her the course. Buy it. Put her email as the email that you want it to go to, and boom, that's done. It's done. Everything that I develop with a nail tech in mind. Why? Because I'm a nail tech and I've been doing it for 21 years. And I know that a lot of times when they come up with stuff, they really don't think about how we need to use it before they produce it. So every single course shows you specifically what you need to do, what kind of settings you need to have, how to keep it from chipping, how to layer the stencils. It's all the things that you need to know with airbrushing. Aren't you tired of just doing plain ombres and auroras. And what's those little nails where they put the little spider thing over the top of it and they just spray the, that is boring. It's boring. We got space nails, we got rose nails, we got checkerboard nails. Like, you can do it over foil. Come on, you mean to tell me that all you want to do is ombre? No, you want to do more than ombre. And these courses are going to show you how to do it in less than. I don't be doing no sales all the time. I don't, because I can sell them real good without a sale. But I'm doing this for the weekend, trying something new. I want to get more students in and actually comfortable with the technique, so I can stop seeing videos like this or seeing comments on Reddit like this or seeing you begging under people's IG accounts like that, because they're not trying to help you and I am. Anyways, I'm going to put the link in the description below. If you got any questions, any comments, go ahead and comment below and I'll be sure to help you. Bye.